Experiment time! Refraction is seen most often when a wave passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Different types of medium include air and water. For this experiment, you will need a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, a glass, and water. Let's see what happens. This is refraction. The light travels from the image through the air, then through the glass into the water, and finally out of the glass and into the air once more before it reached our eyes. Light refracts as it passes from one medium to the next because it travels at different speeds through those mediums. Can you do it?